In front of me is a ZTE Blade A71, and today I'll show you how we can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now, doing this will allow you to get rid of screen locks, so if you have one set that you don't know, you can get rid of it this way. And one more thing, if you also have a Google account, usually the device will become FRP locked, but in the case of this specific device, it just doesn't. It never gets locked, so you don't need to worry about verifying anything or trying to bypass something. So yeah, anyway, so I'll begin here from the lock screen, and let's hold the power key, select power off. Now when the device turns off, hold power and volume up at the same time. And when you see the ZTE logo on the screen, I'll let go of the power key only. There we go. As you can see, this will take us to recovery mode. So in here you want to select wipe data factory reset using volume keys, as you can see, and then confirm it with power key. Select factory data reset. It's going to give you a formatting data message at the bottom, and next thing we should see is data wipe complete or successfully complete. Okay. Additionally, reboot system now will be selected by default, so press power key once more, and this will now reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. So it will take it a little bit longer to boot back up. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Now once it's finished, we'll then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.